Okay, so Keith provided us with these Hot Wheels metal base 70 Chevelles. Really nice casting. I mean, it's a real nice model. Excuse me, doesn't have the, any crazy tampos on it. Just has your typical cheap plastic wheels on there. It's really nice casting. We'll see once we get all of this. Looks pretty thick. It's a metal flake, but really shiny. Keith's a big Chevelle guy, so we're going to do a little bit of justice on this with doing the Red Alert by Bob Hamilton. The theme of this build is 70s, and that's Bob Hamilton was in the 70s. So let's get her taken apart. We'll get her stripped down. I'm gonna do I'm pretty sure I was looking up pictures, and I'm pretty sure he had some pictures. I just couldn't tell what kind, but I believe they were Goodyear Eagles that were on the backside. I'm sure on all around, but he had some fatties on the back, skinnies on the front. The rims, these don't have the rims like he did. These are pretty close. As you can see, they're skinnies. So, I believe the Goodyear, I'm going to get my yellow Sharpie here. I believe those Goodyears on the back had yellow lettering. So we're going to hit this with some yellow. Take those Goodyears from white to yellow. Looks like it's going on pretty good. And you can tell the difference. Get that eagle down there. And after this Sharpie dries a little bit, I might hit it again. It might brighten it up even more. But you can tell the difference. The next thing I want to attempt is to get in and at least get some kind of I got a metallic color pen here. See if I can get in there and at least get a sense of a rim. And they're not going to match front to back. I don't have any of that. I'm not sure what kind of rims he had on there. Yeah, that came in there pretty good. So at least we look like we've got a rim in there. That came out pretty good. Let me do this side. Then hit the white wall lettering. Not too bad. Not too bad. It ain't perfect, but not too bad. And as I had shown in a previous email, we got some Kenny Terry decals here for the red alert. So let's take her apart, get it stripped down, get everything looked at, see what we got to do. Now we're going to get in here and snip the tabs that hold in these axles. We can get these old wheels and axles out of there. Yeah, there we go. That one fits in there pretty good. Check out these fatties, see how they go in. There we go. Looks pretty good. Let's get this body in the stripper, get that paint off of there, and move along. Okay, once I get that body stripped, I'm going to use the Stynylrez white primer. Love this stuff. Goes through the airbrush real easy. Then I'm going to slap some opaque red from Createx 5210. I've still got some original aircraft stripper, so I'm going to use that, kind of speed up the process here. This is only going to take a few minutes. As you can see, that's bubbling up. We'll get that paint off and we'll get it ready to hit the booth. Okay, I'm going to mix up my red opaque from Createx with the same line of product here, 40-30 balancing clear. I'm going to use about 40 to 50%, and then dash in there a little 40-12 at 10%. Things first, we're going to hit it with some white Stynylrez primer. Stuff goes on real thin. Keeps the body lines, keeps a lot of detail in there, real nice. Really like this stuff. It's a real easy cleanup. With a little water. With a little quick dry with the airbrush, we're ready for some paint. I'm going to drop multiple coats on here. Dry her off a little bit with the brush in between coats. Maybe let it sit for a few minutes. So I shot a real quick coat of the clear coat and then put the decals on, but my dumbass didn't hit the go button, so you can see me do that. So finish off the paint process here with multiple coats, probably 3 or 4 coats of the two-part automotive quick clear. And then we're going to, I like to use the heat, use this in between each coat and let it sit for a little bit. You can see it helps level it out, helps kind of cure it up a little bit. Getting a pretty decent shine on it so far. Put it together and get it on the turntable. And here it is, the Red Alert by Bob Hamilton in his 1970 Chevelle. I want to thank you guys for stopping into this episode of the Four Horsemen. My name is Jeff. This is 164 Revival. Here's some glamour shots.